Hey everyone, here's a quick video on how to change your cabin air filter in a 2019 or similar F-150. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, so we can go ahead and open that up. We do need to release the stoppers that limit how far the glove box comes out. They are both on the left and right side. We can release the right side first simply by pressing on this here and pulling out a little bit. And we can also do the same thing on the other side here. You'll notice this groove, pull in, and it should drop out a few inches here. There we go. And then we need to release this arm. This is a little strut that helps raise and lower it and keep it controlled. This is easy enough to do. You can grab it right around here. If you lift up on the glove box slightly and pull down with this arm, like so, if you saw that little click there, and then it should pop right out. It is kind of seated in this bowling pin shaped slot. So this then will just fall out of the way. We can remove this rubber liner here. This just peels right off. Some models will have a faceplate here. This can be easily removed if you just take a screwdriver and pry along this bottom line. It should pop right out. It may sound like it's breaking. There are some plastic clips on the back side of that. They are pretty noisy. I've done this a few times now and nothing's broken. It just sounds like it's going to. All right, so once you've done that with the screwdriver, this should be released. It should fall right out. Here are these plastic clips that I was telling you about. They're kind of rattly and just a little noisy. Nothing crazy going on there. There are two 7mm bolts that need to be removed that also hold the remainder of the assembly in place. Once again, easily removed with a 7mm ratchet. Once again, this has several clips on it that may require a little bit more effort to remove. You may find it easier to reach behind and pull forward and just kind of wiggle it and work it a little bit, and it will eventually give way and come out. Once again, it sounds like it's breaking, but it's just some noisy plastic clips that are on the back side of it. So with some wiggling and pulling and pushing from the back side, this should release like so. Just be mindful there is an electrical connection here for this sensor. It should swing down and to the left and be nicely out of your way. So now looking underneath the dash, this honeycomb looking lid here is the cover for the cabin air filter. There are two tabs, one on either side. You can pull this forward like so, and once on this side, and the lid should open, and there's your cabin air filter. Before removing the air filter, please be mindful of the airflow direction. Air goes from above down through the filter. You will need to know this when you are reinstalling the new filter. It should just easily slide right out. As you can see, this filter is disgusting. I believe this is original with the car. The car has a little over 30,000 miles on it. These should be replaced every 20,000 miles. Here's the new air filter. Let's see what direction it needs to go in. Airflow goes down. So once again, just do the opposite and it should slide right back in. All right, sorry I had to stop recording there to fight with it, but it does slide right back in. Just follow the steps of this video in reverse order and you'll be in good shape. Hope this helps.